Hi, today I'm making fall punch. So again, Thanksgiving's coming and I wanted to use my little glass pitcher to make a nice fall punch. So we're going to begin with about 2 cups of each of the ingredients here. Now there's no order to these particular ingredients and the measurements are not quite exact, but you're going to begin with the cider, about 2 cups, and then I've added the Martinelli's apple cider, the sparkling cider, and then we're going to add about that much in ginger ale as well. And so this is a really quick little fall recipe. You're going to do a couple of dashes of nutmeg and also a couple of dashes of cinnamon, and this is all to your taste. I've prepared my glasses by using honey and sparkling gold sugar. And I'm just going to coat the glasses in honey at the rims, and then add the sparkling sugar. As you can see here, you're just going to mix it around a little bit, and that will give you a sugar rim. So you really want to let that dry. I think one of the things you see in my video here is that I moved pretty quickly. So I added my apples to the glass, and I again just you can see the sugared rims. Now you don't have to do the sugared rims. I've added ice to this as well. And just mix those ingredients and pour over the ice. This is a very fast punch that you can make. It has all of the fall flavors, the different kinds of apples. I actually chopped up one green apple and one honey crisp apple. And that is a easy, quick fall punch.